Have you ever seen someone wearing a bracelet with no clasp and wondered, how did they get that on? Or maybe you've watched one of those videos where there's a tiny spark, everyone gets excited, and suddenly the bracelet is on. At first glance, it might seem like just another jewelry trend, but permanent jewelry is much bigger than that. For many women, it's becoming a way to create meaningful experiences for others while building a flexible business that fits their lifestyle. Today, I'm going to explain exactly what permanent jewelry is, why it's become so popular, and why so many entrepreneurs are exploring it as a business opportunity. And before this video is over, I'll share what I believe is the real reason permanent jewelry has grown so quickly. Hi, I'm Adele with Linked Permanent Jewelry Training. Whether you're looking for extra income, dreaming about becoming your own boss, or simply curious about permanent jewelry, this channel is here to help you make an informed decision about whether this business is the right fit for you. Let's dive in. So, what is permanent jewelry? Permanent jewelry is a custom fit jewelry that is designed to be worn continuously without a traditional clasp. Instead of opening and closing like a regular bracelet, it's professionally fitted to the wearer and connected using a specialized equipment. The most common piece includes bracelets, anklets, necklaces, rings. One of the things people love most is the very piece. It's custom sized just for them. Now, despite the name, there's one common misconception I'd like to clear up. Permanent jewelry doesn't mean forever. If someone ever needs to remove it for a medical procedure, a personal preference, or another reason, it can absolutely be removed. The term permanent simply means it's intended to be worn every day without taking it on and off. That's one of the biggest myths surrounding permanent jewelry, and hopefully now you have a better understanding of what it really means. Why has it become so popular? Here's something I think surprises a lot of people. People aren't just buying jewelry, they're buying an experience. Think about some of life's biggest moments: a mother and daughter celebrating a milestone, best friends making years of friendship, a bride and her bridal party before the wedding, a couple celebrating an anniversary. Permanent jewelry has become part of those memories. When people leave their appointment, they're not just wearing a bracelet, they're wearing a reminder of a special moment. That's something traditional jewelry doesn't always provide. It's one of the reasons permanent jewelry spreads so naturally through the word of mouth and social media. People love sharing experiences that are meaningful. One of my favorite parts about working at Linked is seeing students realize that this business is about so much more than jewelry. During training, many students arrive feeling nervous. Some have never held jewelry tools before. Others are wondering if they're capable of learning something completely new. Then something changes. As they begin practicing and gaining confidence, you can actually see their excitement grow. They stop focusing on what they can't do and start seeing what's possible. That's one of the reasons I love education. Watching someone believe in themselves is incredibly rewarding. Maybe you're watching this video because you're wondering, could I actually do this? That's a question we hear all the time. One of the biggest reasons women are drawn to permanent jewelry is flexibility. Many people start while keeping their full-time jobs. Some offer appointments during evenings, others work weekend markets, some partner with local boutiques or salons, others build a home studio over time. There's no one-size-fits-all path. Many entrepreneurs simply want a business they can grow at their own pace. That flexibility is one of the things that makes permanent jewelry so appealing. Throughout this series, I want to introduce you to someone we'll call Emily. Emily is 35 years old. She works a full-time job. She has a family. She's looking for a way to earn additional income without completely changing her life overnight. When Emily first discovered permanent jewelry, she wasn't thinking, I want to weld jewelry. She was thinking, I wonder if this could give me more freedom. That's exactly where many successful business owners begin. Not with jewelry, with a goal. If today's video taught you anything, I hope it's this. Permanent jewelry isn't just about wearing a bracelet without a clasp. It's about creating experiences, celebrating milestones, building relationships, and for many entrepreneurs, creating a flexible business that fits the life they want to build. If you've been curious about permanent jewelry, I hope this video helped answer some of your biggest questions. And if you're considering it as a business, I encourage you to continue following this series because we're just getting started. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.